Hey guys, this is Eric here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I hope you're all doing great. I'm just gonna show you guys the valve that I put up together. This is an idea of a new friend of mine on YouTube, House Wash on YouTube channel. Kenny, he's the guy that came out with this idea, and I got the links from him and I put together mine. So he asked me to make a video to show him how my remote control bypass came out. So I'm gonna just show you guys. This is what it is. That's the valve there. So I got that super soaker, pulls up, straight from my tanks. Instead of putting together the mix, I can just pull it, the SH straight from my tank, along with the surfactant as well. So that's the valve right there. I got the remote over here on me. So on the remote I wrote W for water and B for bleach. So whenever the valve goes down, it means I'm spraying bleach on it. So when I click on this, it goes down, goes through the bypass, and then it starts sucking through the super soaker. Then it pulls straight from whatever I adjust here on my mixing valve. So I got the bleach wide open. I'm not using any surfactant because I'm gonna just do a quick pre-spray on this driveway. And I'm doing just part of the house here, just the right side and a little bit on top of here. They don't want the whole house done. This is a client of mine. I've been doing work for them for many years as far as carpet cleaning. And this year I've been maintaining the house for them. So they wanted me to do the 6 months, every 6 months, just come and touch up a few things, and then once a year come and do the whole house. I gotta fix this thing here on my box, maybe put some support underneath or something, because the weight of the hose reel is kind of smashing it down. So it's kind of messed up. So right now I have that valve set up on bleach. So yellow light blinking, yellow cells coming in, and the valve is on bleach. So if I bring it back to water, it goes up, and the water goes straight up without any restriction there. So that's how I have my valve. Kenny had come up with that idea, but he did all the modification himself as far as welding, but my welding didn't come out that great. So I was able to find the valve that will work just as good as the valve that we usually use, and it's way cheaper, and you don't have to make any modifications on it, and just put it, instead of this valve I'm using that valve. You can find it on Amazon. I'll probably put the link here for you guys, and that's it. You just buy that setup. I'll put the link for Kenny's video so you can see how to do it. But this way is a lot simple. You can just buy that valve and put this part straight up on the valve. You don't have to buy a handle or anything like that. It's already all plug in play. And the super soaker, I bought it on one of those websites. It's like about $150, but I probably spend like $70 to $100 on the whole system with the remote and everything. I put my little remote box over here, and I drilled the box and took the antenna out. I put the antenna out here so I can get a longer distance out of it. So I got my pumps in there. So I'm gonna do the soft wash. I just turn the valve for the soft wash. When I'm doing the downstream, I turn the valve this way for the downstream, this way for the soft wash. So I got a 7 gallon per minute pump there, and a spare pump just in case that one goes down. This one is a 5 gallon per minute pump. I only basically use that just for roof cleaning, but everything else I do the downstream. It's way quicker. I can reach way up there. It's a lot easier. All right, guys, you have a good day.